Good morning students. In the previous session we have started multiplication of algebraic expressions. I explained you few examples. Now today we will start with practice set 35. Now this is practice set 35, question number 1, multiply. You will do the multiplication of algebraic expressions. See the first example. As you can see here, the first example, 16xy multiplied by 18xy. Now here this is monomial and this is monomial, right? Monomial means what? An algebraic expression which is having only one term, that is called as monomial. Now here we will do the multiplication of monomial by a monomial, right? So multiplying monomial by a monomial, there is one rule. First we will multiply the coefficients, then we will multiply variables, right? So 16xy, what is the coefficient here? Coefficient is 16 and the variables are x and y, right? Here 18xy, which is the coefficient? 18 is the coefficient and xy are the variables. So first we will multiply the coefficient, 16 multiplied by 18. Now here variables are x, y, and here also x, y, that we will multiply separately. So x multiplied by y and here also x multiplied by y. Okay, so this is the first step. First we will multiply the coefficients and then we will multiply the variables, right? Now we will do the multiplication, 16 multiplied by 18. So I am showing it here, 16 multiplied by 18. We will do the multiplication, 8 6 are 48, 4 carrying, 8 1s are 8, plus 4 12, right? Here it is 0. Now 1 multiplied by 6, that is 6 1s are 6, and 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So do the addition. I am writing it here, 8 plus 0, that is 8, 6 plus 2, that is 8, and 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? So the answer is 288. 16 multiplied by 18, answer is 288. And see here, x multiplied by x, x into x, that is x square, and y multiplied by y, that is y square. So what is the answer? 288. X square, y square is the answer. Okay, hope you are clear with the first sum. What is the first question? 16xy multiplied by 18xy. So this is multiplication of monomial by a monomial, right? Both the algebraic expressions are monomial, right? So we will do the multiplication of monomial by a monomial. While doing this, we will multiply coefficients first, then we will multiply variables. Coefficient means the numbers, right? So 16 is the coefficient and here 18 is the coefficient. So 16 multiplied by 18. Now the variables are x and y, and here it is x and y. Then we will multiply the variables. See here, x multiplied by y and here x multiplied by y. Now 16 multiplied by 18, we will do the multiplication. The answer is 288, right? Now x multiplied by x, see here, x into x, that is x square, and y into y, that is y square, right? So the answer is 288, x square, y square. Now we'll start with the second sum, 23xy square multiplied by 4yz square. Now here also same, we are multiplying monomial by a monomial, right? Both the algebraic expressions are monomial as it is having only single term. So 23xy square multiplied by 4yz square. So what is the first step? First we will multiply the coefficient. So see here, in the first algebraic expression the coefficient is 23, and in the second algebraic expression the coefficient is 4. So we will multiply 23 multiplied by 4. First we will multiply the coefficients, then we will multiply the variables. So the variables are x, y square. So x multiplied by y square, or you can write down this separately also, that is y multiplied by y, or directly y square. Now yz square, so y multiplied by z square, or you can write down y multiplied by z multiplied by z. Okay, that is also correct. Now 23 multiplied by 4, so we will do the multiplication, 23 multiplied by 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 here 1 carrying, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 9. So what is the answer? 92. See here, 92. 23 multiplied by 4 is 92. X, that we will write down as it is, because see here, see the variables x, so x we will write down as it is. Now y square multiply by y, that is y cube, right? This y square multiply by this y, so that is y cube, and z square will write down as it is, as there is no like term, okay, with z square. So z square will write down as it is. Y square multiply by this y, that is y square plus this y is what? Y raised to 3, right? This 2y and plus this 1, so that is y raised to 3, y cube, and z square as it is, and this is x, we will write down as it is, okay. So the answer is 92x y cube z square, okay. Hope you are clear with this. Now we'll start with the next sum. Now this is fourth sum. Third sum is for homework, that I will tell you later. Now here, see here in the question, 4x plus 5y multiply by 9x plus 7y. Now this is multiplying a binomial by a binomial, right? See the algebraic expressions which are given. The first algebraic expression is binomial and the second algebraic expression is also binomial. So here we are multiplying binomial by a binomial, right? Binomial means what? An algebraic expression which are having two terms, right? So that is binomial. Now here we are multiplying binomial by a binomial. Now how to do? First, okay, so 4x, this 4x, first algebraic expression, first term we will multiply with the second algebraic expression, right? So 4x multiply by 9x plus 7y. Now see the second term, that is 5y, that we will multiply with the second algebraic expression. So plus 5y multiply by 9x plus 7y. So what is the first step now? First step is this first term we will multiply with second algebraic expression, then plus 5y, then this second term we will multiply with the second algebraic expression, right? So this is the first step. Now after this, see the inside bracket 9x plus 7y and outside the bracket there is 4x. So 4x you will multiply with the first term and with the second term in the bracket, right? So 4x multiply by 9x and 4x multiply by 7y. See here. Now next, plus 5y. So this 5y we will multiply here with the first term and then we will multiply with the second term, okay, which is given in the bracket. So 5y multiply by 9x plus 5y multiply by 7y. See here, okay. Hope you are clear till here. Once again I will repeat this. We will multiply this 4x by 9x and 4x by 7y, right? So 4x multiply by 9x plus 4x multiply by 7y. Now next, 5y multiply by 9x plus 5y multiply by 7y, right? Now we will do the multiplication. 4x multiply by 9x. 4 9s are 36 and x multiply by x, that is x square. So 36x square. 4x multiply by 9x is 36x square. Now plus 4x multiply by 7y. 4 7s are 28 and x multiply by y, that is xy. So the answer is 28xy. Now plus again here 5y multiply by 9x. 5 9s are 45 and y multiply by x is xy or yx. Okay, so 45xy. Okay, 5y multiply by 9x, that is 45xy. Plus again here, now 5y multiply by 7y. 5 7s are 35 and y multiply by y is what? Y square. So 35y square. Okay, now the next step is what? See here. Now this is 36xy x square, we will write down here down. 28xy plus 45xy, these are the like terms. Yes, why? Because they are having same variables. Okay, so what we will do is 28xy plus 45xy, we will add this, okay, as they are like terms. So 28 plus 45, do the addition. 28 plus 45, the answer is 73. Okay, So 73 and xy we will write down as it is. While doing the addition of algebraic expression, we will add only coefficients and we are writing variables as it is. So 28 plus 45 is 73 and xy we will write down as it is. Okay, here we are not doing multiplication, so you will not write down x square y square. Okay, if we are doing multiplication, then only we will write down x multiplied by x is x square. Now this is addition, so variables we will write down as it is, that is xy, and 35y square here. Okay, so the answer is 36x square plus 73xy plus 35y square. Okay, hope we are clear with the fourth sum. Here we are doing multiplication of binomial by a binomial. So the first step is we will multiply the first term in the first algebraic expression, the first term, by a second algebraic expression, and then second term with the second algebraic expression, right? Now this 4x multiplied by 9x, this 4x multiplied by 7y. Here also 5y multiplied by 9x, 5y multiplied by 7y. Then 4x multiplied by 9x is what? 36x square. X multiplied by x, that is x square, and 4 9s are 36, so 36x square. 4x multiplied by 7y, 4 7s are 28, and x multiplied by y, that is xy. 5y multiplied by 9x, 5 9s are 45, and x multiplied by y or y multiplied by x is xy. And 5y multiplied by 7y, that is 5 7s are 35, and y multiplied by y is what? Y square. And now this 28xy, 45xy, they are like terms, so we will add this. So 28 plus 45 is 73 and xy variables as it is. And the first term we will write down as it is, 36x square and 35y square as it is. Okay, only like terms we will add here in the second last step. Okay, so this is the fourth question. Now the next question number 2. Now in question number 2, a rectangle is 8x plus 5 cm long and 5x plus 3 cm broad. Find its area. Now what is given? In the solution, first we will write down length of the rectangle is given, that is 8x plus 5 cm. Long means length is given, right? Now breadth of the rectangle is 5x plus 3. Okay, 5x plus 3 cm broad means breadth of the rectangle. So length and breadth of the rectangle is given. We have to find out area of the rectangle. I hope all of you are knowing the formula for area of rectangle. The formula is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, right? So we will write down the formula. See here, this is the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now what is the length? 8x plus 5 cm. What is the breadth? 5x plus 3. So we will multiply 8x plus 5 multiply by 5x plus 3. Now see here, I have not written multiplication sign, but there is a multiplication. Okay, see here, in the bracket first algebraic expression, and in the second bracket we have written the second algebraic expression. Now we will multiply this, so we will get the area of rectangle. Now as we are doing multiplication of binomial by a binomial, in that same way we will do. Okay, see here, both the algebraic expressions are binomial. So how we are doing multiplication of binomial by a binomial expression? Just now we have seen the fourth example. So let's start now. Yes, first we will multiply with the second algebraic expression, that is 8x multiplied by 5x plus 3. Now the second term 5 multiplied by the second algebraic expression, that is 5 multiplied by 5x plus 3. Okay, once again we will revise this. Length of a rectangle is given and breadth of the rectangle is given. We will find out area of rectangle as it is asked in the question. Find its area. Okay, so area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 8x plus 5 and breadth is 5x plus 3. So 8x plus 5 multiplied by 5x plus 3. Now 8x multiplied by 5x, here also 8x multiplied by 3. See here, 8x multiplied by 5x plus 8x multiplied by 3. Right, now here 5 multiplied by 5x, 5 multiplied by 3. So 5 multiplied by 5x, 5 multiplied by 3. In between addition sign. Okay, here also it is addition. Now we will do the multiplication. 8x multiplied by 5x. 8 5s are 40 and x multiplied by x is what? X square. So 40x square. 8x multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24 and 24x. Okay. Only one variable is there, so x that we will write down as it is. We will multiply the coefficients. 8 multiplied by 3, 24, and x will write down as it is. 5 multiplied by 5x. 5 5s are 25 and x as it is. Now 5 3s are 15 that we will write down here. Okay, hope we are clear with this. Once again I will repeat this. 8x multiplied by 5x, 8x multiplied by 3. Here also 5 multiplied by 5x, 5 multiplied by 3, right? So 8x multiplied by 5x, that is 40x square. 8x multiplied by 3 is 24x. 5 multiplied by 5x, that is 25x, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now see here, these are the like terms, 24x plus 25x. So you can add, these are the like terms. 40x square, this term we will write down as it is. 24 plus 25, the answer is 49, and x will write down as it is, as this is addition. Now plus 15 will write down as it is. So what is the answer? 40x square plus 49x plus 15 is the answer. So final statement is, so area of rectangle is 40x square plus 49x plus 15 centimeter square is the unit of area. So this is the answer. Area of rectangle is what? 40x square plus 49x plus 15 square centimeter or centimeter square. Okay, I hope we are clear with this sum. In this question, area we have to find out. Length and breadth of a rectangle is given, so you will multiply length into breadth, you will get the area. Okay, now this is the homework question. Third sum from practice set 35 from question number 1. This you will solve by your own in your maths classwork. Okay, so this is the question. Please write down this question in your notebook. 12a in bracket 12a plus 17b bracket complete multiply by 4c. Okay, and here we have to do multiplication of binomial by a monomial. Why binomial by a monomial? Because the first algebraic expression is binomial and the second algebraic expression is monomial, right? So here we are multiplying binomial by a monomial. Okay, so you will do this by your own. Okay, I explained this example in the previous session, so hope you will do this by your own. Okay, so today we have completed practice set 35. So today we'll stop till here. In the next session we will start with the next concept. Thank you so much.